What's going on YouTube? This is Wally right here. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a pumpkin pie. This is one of my sweet recipes from my childhood. My mama used to make this sometimes for me, and today I'm gonna try to reproduce that. So let's see what we need. For the dough, I have 400 grams of flour, 120 grams of sugar, 80 ml of sunflower oil, 80 ml of milk, 1 egg, a pinch of salt, and a teaspoon of baking soda. I got baking soda. And for the filling, I have another 150 grams of sugar, 15 grams of cinnamon, and of course a pumpkin. Well, we have all the ingredients. It's a lot of work, so let's get started. Safety first. Now I'm gonna cook the pumpkin for 20 minutes in a pan. Well, the filling is ready. Now let's make the dough. Well, the dough is ready. It's really soft. Now let's make the pie. It's almost ready. Now I'm gonna bake this pie at the preheated oven for 40 minutes at 180 degrees. This is it. I'm really happy with this one. Looks super cool. It's also very sweet and soft. Now I'm gonna try it. Don't forget to subscribe this channel, press the like button and share this video with your friends. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.